Oh, what else was I going to show you? Oh, see how this connects into the wall. See how if you get a hairline crack like this, look at that. It's cracked in here. That's because there was so much weight right here. It pushed this down. I'm sure that's nailed up against the wall, and I'm not going to whack on it or anything, but I was thinking, okay, I could find a stud in the wall here. See, there's a stud right there. Right there. It's hollow all the way to there. So they couldn't, see, they put some little finish nails right there. Those finish nails are going into nothing. They're going into sheetrock. They might have put them in at an angle just to hold this piece up here. You can see where they've got a nail right there, see? Right there. And that is what holds up the weight of this whole thing. So this is kind of dangling out in midair. Actually, there's a stud right there. Sorry about that. See, hollow? There's a stud right there. And there's a stud back there. I see where there's a nail head right in there. So see, I could put a couple screws in there, and one sheetrock screw, and dimple it in there just for kicks. Or if I look at this system here, see this bracket here? You know what? I better stop. My battery's dead. I'm going to replace the battery, and I'll come back here and finish up with this little segment. Okay.